Welcome to another video from MK's English. Once again, I'm going to help you take your English to the next level. Now, today we have a mystery to solve, and in the process, we're going to help you master the past perfect tense. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Imagine this. You walk into the kitchen and you're excited to eat the delicious chocolate cake that you baked yesterday. But it's gone. The plate is empty. Only a few crumbs remain. You ask your little brother Jim, "Hey, what happened to my cake?" Jim looks guilty. He says, "I don't know." But then you notice chocolate on his fingers. Suspicious. You question him again, and finally he confesses, "I had already eaten the cake before you came home." Aha! And there it is. The past perfect tense in action. Let's break it down. Past perfect is used when we talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. In this case, Jim ate the cake before you came home. And that's why he said he had eaten it before you came home. Dun dun dun! Okay, let's look at this structure and some examples. Example number 1. I had studied before the test started. Right? Now, back one step, the test started. Back another step, the person had studied. I had studied before the test started. Another example. She had left before we arrived. Now, hi, I'm here. One step back, we arrived. Another step back, she had already left. She had left before we arrived. Okay, final example. She had spent all her money before she went home. So now she's at home. One step back, she left the shops, or she went home. Another step back, she had spent all her money. Maybe she just really loves shopping. Okay, so now let's go back to our mystery. Jim had eaten the cake, but what about Mom? Maybe she saw something. You ask her, "Mom, did you see Jim eat my cake?" She replies, "By the time I came into the kitchen, he had already finished it." Another perfect example. Mom arrived after the action was completed. So we use past perfect, had finished. Okay, let's practice this. I'm going to say some sentences. And when I say these sentences, there are going to be some grammar mistakes. I want you to imagine that you are the English teacher, and I want you to fix my mistakes. Okay, are you ready? Let's try this first sentence. When I arrived at the station, the train leave already. Did you catch that? Let me read it again. When I arrived at the station, the train leave already. Can you fix my mistake? That's right. The correct sentence is, when I arrived at the station, the train had left already. Okay, let's try this again. Sentence number 2. She was sad because she lose her phone. One more time. She was sad because she lose her phone. Can you fix that sentence? Yeah. She was sad because she had lost her phone. Okay, number 3. Final chance. I'm sure you're doing a great job. We eat dinner before they invited us out. One more time. We eat dinner before they invited us out. Can you fix that? Right. We had eaten dinner before they invited us out. We had eaten dinner before they invited us out. Now, one step back. Hey, Mark. Hey, guys. Want to come out to dinner? One step back. Nom, nom, nom. Oh no, I had already eaten dinner. Okay, great job. Now, let's make things a little bit more fun. Can you create your own past perfect sentences? Think of a time something happened before another event. Maybe I had forgotten my homework before the teacher asked for it. All right, that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed learning with a little mystery, be sure to subscribe to MK's English YouTube channel and podcast. Oh, and also, share it with a friend. All right, keep practicing and good luck studying. See you next time. Bye.